In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate through the Temu platform to manage and track your orders. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or someone who's just getting started, keeping tabs on your purchases is an essential skill in this digital age. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on this quick and simple journey. First off, let's talk about accessing the Temu platform. You'll want to start by opening your preferred internet browser. This could be Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any reliable browser that you usually use for your online activities. In the address bar, simply type in temu.com and press enter. This will take you to the Temu homepage, a bustling online marketplace designed to be both user-friendly and rich with a wide array of products for you to explore. Once you're on the Temu homepage, you'll notice that the interface is inviting and straightforward to navigate. To manage your orders, the next step is to access your profile. Your profile is your personalized space on Temu where all your interactions and purchases are neatly organized. Look for the profile icon, which is typically located in the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on this will drop down a menu with various options about your account. Now from the drop-down menu, the key focus here is finding the section labeled Your Orders. Clicking on this option will redirect you to a detailed list of all the purchases you've made on Temu. This page is thoughtfully laid out to provide a comprehensive view of your order history. Here, you'll see all the essential details such as order numbers, purchase dates, product names, and other pertinent information that will help you keep track of your parcels, estimate delivery times, and manage payments. And that's pretty much it. You've reached the Your Orders page, which is your central hub for all things related to your past and current purchases. Navigating this section is intuitive. You can scroll through your orders, check on delivery statuses, or even make changes if the order status allows. This straightforward process ensures that you stay informed about your purchases and receive updates efficiently. It's always a good idea to regularly check on your orders, especially if you've made multiple purchases at once. This way, you'll always be up to date on any developments or notifications that may arise. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to managing your orders on Temu. Whether you're confirming an important delivery or simply browsing through your order history, this method ensures that all the information you need is just a few clicks away. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.